Single mothers by choice. Now, we expect that when we talk about a family, we usually talk about a traditional family, which means there's a husband, there's a wife, they have a baby, and the father and mother bring the baby up and they live happily ever after. But the reality is times are changing. There are lots of women who don't want to get married, who can't find the right husband, who feel that, this husband is just not good enough for me, who don't want an arranged marriage, who don't want to get married to someone who doesn't live up to their standards, because they want that personal freedom in their life. They want the ability to explore. And the good news is they now have options. Well, they always had options. For example, you could always have sex outside marriage and get pregnant. But there are other options. So, for example, you could use donor sperm with artificial insemination and get pregnant. And that's pretty standard. And even if you're older, you can actually do IVF even if you're a single woman, because you can become a single mom. Now, it's still frowned upon by society, and society still looks askance at a woman who gets pregnant without having a husband. But the reality is husbands are optional. All you really require as far as the man is concerned is sperms. You're the one who has the eggs and the uterus. And if you can't find anyone who's good enough to be the father of your baby, it's perfectly okay to explore the option with an open mind. In my experience, a lot of these single mothers make much better parents. They're very smart, well-informed, they don't care about the rest of the world, they're making decisions for themselves and for the sake of the baby. And they make great parents. So remember, a traditional family structure is not always right. And the good news is, for a lot of these single moms, their parents are extremely supportive and will help them bring up the baby. And these babies do very well in life because they're surrounded by so much love and care.